Jamaicans have joined the protests against the killing of African-American George Floyd. Scores of demonstrators gathered opposite the United States Embassy on Old Hope Road. They're also protesting the death of Jamaicans in police custody, as well as controversial killings. Anthony Logg reports.
If we can breathe, why should you?
Protesters chanting outside the United States Embassy in St. Andrew on Saturday. Similar scenes further down the road at Emancipation Park in the afternoon. While protesters voiced their concerns, the police held their posts, ensuring things went smoothly. The protest was sparked by cries worldwide over the death of George Floyd from a policeman kneeling on his neck in the American city of Minneapolis.
When the black man reached out George Floyd and said, "I can't breathe," he called on his dying mother. He said, "Mama, Mama, help me, Mama, where are you, Mama?" His mother's already dead.
The unfair treatment of black people and the denial of equal rights in the United States have long been issues.
It's a systematic racism that finds place all over the world, and it's important to raise up your voice and stand up for it. It doesn't matter what skin color you have or where you're from, really.
The protesters brandished clothing and placards of all different color, sizes, and shapes. However, the message was the same. Much focus was also placed on issues here in Jamaica, like the death of Jamaicans in police custody, as well as controversial killings.
I stand with my American black brothers, but I don't stand for George Floyd. I stand for Mario Dean. I stand for Susan Bogle. I stand for Noel Chambers. I stand for Michael Gale. 40 years in a prison. Chink. That's what we are. That's what we are left up to. Chinks to eat us.
How much more?
Chinks to eat us.
And a chinks alone. Maggots. I'm tired of it. I am tired of it. I'm tired of seeing people died innocently because of this JDF and all of these people. I am so tired. I'm frustrated. I am from the ghetto and I don't want to see this anymore. Oh, God.
Also in attendance, opposition spokesman on national security Fitz Jackson.
Injustice done one place is injustice to everybody, everywhere. And it's unfortunate that too many Jamaicans are not prepared to stand up when they see wrong occur. And I say this regardless of who is in government. I belong to the People's National Party. If we do things which are wrong and failing, it is our duty for us to do what is right. But anytime we begin to take position based upon convenience, then as a people and as a country, we are in a very, very dangerous situation.
There is no telling how long the Jamaicans intend to carry out the protest. Much of the issues discussed weren't new. However, they made this call to Jamaicans.
We have to bad up the politician them at the poll. We have to bad up the politician them at the poll. I don't vote for favoritism. I don't vote because I like you or I like you. I vote because of the issues. You must hold your politicians accountable.
Anthony Logg, TVJ News.